Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
While Sanjay was thus speaking, Sri Nārad, the powerful devotee of the Lord, appeared on the scene carrying his tambourine. Maharaj Yudhishthir and his brothers received him properly by getting up from their seats and offering obeisances. Devarshi Nārad is described herein as Bhagwan, due to his being the most confidential devotee of the Lord. The Lord and his very confidential devotees are treated on the same level by those who are actually engaged in the loving service of the Lord. Such confidential devotees of the Lord are very much dear to the Lord, because they travel everywhere to preach the glories of the Lord in different capacities, and try their utmost to convert the non-devotees of the Lord into devotees, in order to bring them to the platform of sanity. Actually, a living being cannot be a non-devotee of the Lord because of his constitutional position, but when one becomes a non-devotee or non-believer, it is to be understood that the person concerned is not in a sound condition of life. The confidential devotees of the Lord treat such illusioned living beings, and therefore they are most pleasing in the eyes of the Lord. The Lord says in the Bhagavad Gita that no one is dearer to him than one who actually preaches the glories of the Lord to convert the non-believers and non-devotees. Such personalities as Nārad must be offered all due respects, like those offered to the personality of Godhead himself, and Maharaj Yudhishthir, along with his noble brothers, were examples for others in receiving a pure devotee of the Lord like Nārad, who had no other business save and except singing the glories of the Lord along with his veena, a musical stringed instrument.